Hello everyone, welcome back. We are officially in February 2026 and the AI landscape is shifting very fast. While everybody is talking about latest model releases, they are missing the most powerful shift in the entire AI landscape. A week ago, OpenAI launched their Codex app with focus on skills. Google is doing the same. But here is the truth. Most people are still treating these as another prompting feature. They are completely underestimating how massive this is. Prompting as we know it is a dead end. If you are typing the same context, same rules, same constraints every morning, you aren't an engineer. You're a manual data clock to your AI. Today, I'm gonna show you most underrated feature in the Claude Code skills. This is how you stop talking with AI and start equipping with muscle memory. Let's jump in. Alright, here is my environment. I am inside VS Code and I've got a Claude Code CLI running right here in the terminal. Now look at the folder, AI meetings here. My team and I meet every single week to talk about all the awesome stuff which is happening in AI world. AI agents, orchestration, recent model releases and everything. It's great, but here is my pain. Every Thursday after the meeting, I have to take the transcript, put it in the Claude, and ask Claude to generate the team to-do list and individual markdowns for attendees, timeline documents, and everything. Here is what I usually do. I take this transcript, put it here, and talk with Claude. Hey Claude, here is a transcript from today. Please give me the clear meeting minutes, a separate to-do list for the team, and very important, create individual markdown files for each person action items and a nice looking HTML file for the timeline so that I can share with the team. Alright, Claude is cooking now. And here is the thing, most of the time Claude won't generate the files directly. It will ask for your permission. I'll just say, yeah, just do it. And you can see here are all the documents it's created. It's awesome. I love it. But the problem is I've been doing this every single week since last 6-7 weeks. I'm literally paying for a high tier subscription to repeat myself. It's frustrating because agents should know my workflow by now. This is the prompting trap. You think you are being fast, but you're actually stuck in a loop. So let's fix this. In Claude Code, we don't just prompt, we build skills. A skill is the persistent, reusable capability. And an awesome thing, you don't need to learn anything to create skills. You can just ask Claude Code to create a skill. Let's do it. Hey Claude, I think I've been doing this for every single week. Do you think it's a good idea to build a skill? If so, please build a skill and add it to this folder. So every time I come here and ask to create the meeting notes similar to what we have done, I will just use the skill. Please create a skill for me. So other thing is you don't need to tell Claude specifically a term skill. When you say you're repeating something and I want something to reuse every time, it will automatically know what it needs to do. Alright, Claude just created a skill under .claude folder. If you open skills, there is a meeting note skill here. This is the actual skill MD file. And there are assets for timeline template. Well, let's see how it works. I'm gonna delete all the .md files we created manually and then use the skill and recreate the files again. All right, I also created a new Claude session. Hey Claude, please create meeting notes for me. It figured out that there is meeting note skill. I just say, yes, please use it. Awesome. It finally finished all the auction items and all the documents I want to create. Now you understand the power of the skill. I don't need to repeat myself. I have a skill, I will reuse it whenever I want to. And it's not just work, it bleeds into my personal life too. I have some vegan friends, so every time we plan a vegan road trip, I'm back in the terminal asking Claude to create a road trip with the restaurants and spots and consider my friends are vegan. Also tell me what to pack, what not to pack for the specific route and all that stuff. And it's been pain. Now we will create a skill for the road trip. So every time we use that skill, Claude will consider my friends are vegan and make sure to consider vegan friendly spots and also check what to pack and what not to pack. Let's do it. Our previous skill was local, so that skill only works when you open the meeting folders. But this skill, we will create it as global. So that way we can use the skill wherever you are in the terminal. Hey Claude, my friends are vegan. We plan weekend road trips once in a while. So I want you to create a skill that will consider 3 things. My friends are vegan, so make sure to check for vegan friendly restaurants on the way and make sure to consider what to pack, what not to pack for the specific route because we're gonna cook in Airbnbs and also plan the routes and spots according to that. We'll do this once in a while so that I'll use this skill to create a road trip plan with a nice HTML file and also markdown file and share it with friends. All right, let's do it. All right, it created skills in my global directory. The skill is called vegan road trip. Now let's test this. Hey Claude, I'm going to Lake Tahoe this weekend with my friends. Please create a road trip plan. All right, let's see. It's supposed to pick up the skill. Of course it did. And then now it's creating the road trip plan. Woo, I'm excited for this. Here is our vegan road trip plan from San Francisco to Lake Tahoe, route options, everyday itinerary, and vegan spots where we can stop and eat. Awesome, just like that, now I have a road trip skill that I can use every time I go out with my vegan friends. So, skills are the most underrated feature in your arsenal. Stop being a user who begs an AI to remember things. Become an orchestrator who builds skills that actually work for you. When you're moving from prompting to skill building, you're not just saving minutes, you're scaling your potential exponentially. Don't just settle with the skills which are available online. Your unique workflow is your greatest asset. Write it into a skill and see what it does to your workflow. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.